Hello, good morning students. So welcome back to the E-class of St. Xavier's School. Today we are going to do chapter 12, that is tenses. Now what is tenses? Present tense, past tense, future tense. अब हम present tense और past tense और future tense in detail we will study in the chapters coming in future. Today we will study the summary of 3 of the chapters. ओके तो इधर आपको जो ये टेंसेस चैप्टर है उसमें आपको एक ओवरव्यू दिया है कि टेंसेस क्या होते हैं, वेदर इट इज प्रेजेंट, पास्ट और फ्यूचर. सो दे हैव गिवन जस्ट अ काइंड ऑफ अ रिव्यू और अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव टाइप ऑफ द चैप्टर जो आपको सिर्फ उसके डिटेल माइन्यूट डिटेल बताएगा एंड देन इन रेस्ट ऑफ द डिटेल्स वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. सो व्हाट इज टेंस? Tense is the way verbs relate their meanings to time. Tenses are different forms of a verb can take to indicate the time of action, whether it is present, past, and future are the 3 tenses in English. Now, what is tenses? Tenses gives us an idea that which the action we are doing, whatever the action which we are doing is happened when. Whether it is in past, whether it is happening in present, or whether it will happen in future. So tenses give us an idea of the time of an action कि वो कब हो रहा है, पहले हो चुका है, अभी हो रहा है या बाद में होगा. So how many types of tense are there in English? There are 3 types, that is present, past and future. A verb in the present tense tells about an action in the present times, that is now. When we are talking about present, that action means which is happening now. अभी जो action चल रहा है, that is our present tense. The action which already happened and finished, that is our past tense. What is it? A verb in the past tense tells about an action in the past, that is earlier, which is already had happened. Future means जो हम सोच रहे कि शायद फ्यूचर में ये होगा या ये फ्यूचर में हो सकता है, तो उसके बारे में. Future tense verb tells about an action in the future time, that is later. What will happen? Later. Earlier, now, later. Earlier means past, now means present, and then later means future. Some grammarians do not consider future tense a tense. अब कोई जो grammarians बोलते हैं, जो ग्रामर पढ़ते हो या जो ग्रामर के स्कॉलर्स हैं या जिन्होंने ग्रामर लिखा है, some of them do not consider future as a tense. This is because we make future by adding will. Why? Because जैसे past के लिए हम ed डालते हैं, present के लिए हम s डालते हैं, वैसे ही verb form doesn't change. उसमें क्या लग जाता है जो हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ा था, auxiliary verb, that is will. Will give us the idea that what we are talking about, that is we are talking about future. So वहाँ पे जो proper verb जो form है, that doesn't change. Because of will, we get an idea that this thing is going to happen in the future. So base form of the verb is walk and buy. Present में हम क्या करते थे? Walks, buys. Past में walked, bought. And in future, the base form of the verb doesn't change. Instead of that, the auxiliary verb, that is will, is added into it, and that changes that it is going to be in future. Will walk, will buy. Notice that there is no independent single future tense form of the verb like present tense form or the past tense form. Now, जैसे present tense के verb को एक form है कि walk walks हो जाता है, या past में जो है ed या d लगा सकते हैं, वैसे जो base form of the verb है उसका proper change of word नहीं है future tense के लिए. So that's why some of the grammarians do not consider future tense because it doesn't stand by its own. It doesn't stand by its own. It always wanted the help of will to show that the particular incident is going to happen in the future. Within the present, past and future tenses, there are specific verb forms that indicates whether the action is in progress, that is continuous, where or completed, that is perfect. Now present हो, past tense हो, future tense हो. If the formation of the sentence we put in such a way that it shows us whether the present tense which we are talking about is going on in the present, that means continuation form में है present में, कि वो action present में continuous चल रहा है, and it also gives us the indicate whether it is in perfect present, perfect past or perfect future. That means the action which is completed, whether in present, whether in past or whether in future. When the action is being completed and perfectly done, that is called our present perfect tense, past perfect tense or future perfect tense. ठीक है, अभी जब हम प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस और फ्यूचर टेंस पढ़ते हैं ना, उन सब में ये कॉलम है, ये बाइफर्केशन है. फर्स्ट इट विल बी व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट टेंस, देन इट विल कम प्रेजेंट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस जो अभी चल रहा है एट द मोमेंट, एट द पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. देन इट विल कम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. सो कंटिन्यूअस का मतलब क्या है, जब कोई एक्शन कंटिन्यूएशन में चल रहा हो. परफेक्ट का मतलब क्या, जब जो एक्शन कर रहे थे वो कंप्लीटेड हो गया हो, सो दैट इज परफेक्ट. सो दिस यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. ओनली द टेंसेस चेंजेस बट द बाइफिकेशन रिमेन्स द सेम. सिंपल, कंटिन्यूअस, परफेक्ट, परफेक्ट, कंटिन्यूअस. दिस फोर बाइफिकेशन विल बी देयर in three of the tenses, that is simple present, present tense, past tense and future tense. Now here they have given only the example. The detail of it is in the next chapter. Now when it is a simple present tense, it will be Hari lives in Bangalore. Lives, S. Okay. Reshma works for an hour every day. That is the routine what Reshma is doing every day. So that becomes our simple present. Simple present means what? The action which we do in a regular basis. The action which doesn't changes the most, that is simple present. Present continuous, the action which in the present is going on. Now I am teaching you grammar. I am teaching. So my action of teaching grammar in the present is going on continuously. So that is why it is called present continuous tense. We are eating mangoes means they are eating, they are not completed. Sumit is cleaning his desk. Mary is typing an email. Now perfect, present perfect is we have eaten mangoes. हम present में बोल रहे हैं कि वो action complete हो चुका है, that we have eaten mangoes. Sumit has cleaned his room. In the present, I am telling that Sumit has cleaned his room. Mary has typed her email. Present perfect continuous, that is which is already been done and we are mentioning it in the present. See, Hari has been living in Koramangalam or Koramangalam. ठीक है. Reshma has been attending yoga classes means this is the action which Reshma is doing perfectly and being continuously doing it for her routine. Anil has been scoring well in her test. Asil has been scoring well in her test. That means that action is going on continuously. Now simple past जो immediately past में खत्म हो गया. Asim was my classmate. Mary cleaned Sumit's desk. India became a republic in 1950. So this was cleaned and became give us an idea that it is simple past tense. Now past continuous means the action which happened in the past but happened for a continuous time period. So that will be considered to be past continuous tense. Balakrishna was walking across the ground at night. Was walking at night. Ground में वो चल रहे थे. The soldiers were running towards the fort. Where the soldiers were running towards the fort and they were continuously ऐसे run करके रुके नहीं ना. Continuously they were running. That's why it is in the past continuous action. Everyone was reading a book in the class. Now reading was going on in the class. Now present past perfect means saying when the action had already happened. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Had. What we will put? Had. The formations in detail we will study. By midnight, all villagers had slept. Midnight तक क्या हुआ? सब सो गए. खत्म. Perfectly done. Completed the action. Meenu had completed 3 years of training before joining the academy. The conductor had found a small bag under the seat. Now, past perfect continuous, the action which has already completed before the other action takes place. While the villagers had been sleeping, the elephants entered the farm. One of the action which is already completed, done before the other action takes place. That is our past perfect tense. एक action I had completed, अगर मैं बोलूँगी I had been completing my work before she started hers. So I had already completed. Okay. See, I had completed. I had already completed. Then she started her work. So mine becomes the past perfect tense because the other action already has taken place. Now, the conductor had found a small bag under the seat. So, had found a small bag before the other action takes place. Now, past perfect continuous. While the villagers had been sleeping, the elephants entered the farm. Now, here it is that same thing. When the other action has been taking the place, before that one action will complete the action, verb will complete the action, that is our past continuous. यहाँ past perfect था, अब यहाँ पे यही चीज जो हमारा verb है वो continuation form में आ जाएगा. Meenu had been practicing hard before she applied to the tennis academy. The volcano had been fuming for many years before it erupted in 1932. Now this is our future tense. Future means we will add will to the verb. We will eat mangoes after lunch. Mary will send her email after 5 minutes. Sumit will clean his desk tomorrow. So when we add to the base form of the verb will, that becomes our simple future tense. Now here also in future continuous tense is also there, which will be giving us an idea that the action which is going to take part in the future will be continuing for a time period in the future. Okay. Salima will be writing the speech for the inauguration. वो लिखेगी, तो लिखेगी तो continuous एक action है. Will be traveling to Croatia to meet her coach Milosevic. The will be traveling. So while she started traveling, the traveling has a continuous. Travel करते पहुंच गए नहीं. So it will having a continuous action. The principal will be arriving any time. So the principal can arrive any time. So will be arriving. वो एक continuous action in future जो हो सकता है. Future perfect will have eaten 5 mangoes. Will have eaten 5 mangoes by 5 o'clock. We will have eaten. हम future में 5 बजे से पहले पूरे mangoes खा के खत्म कर देंगे. Okay. So that is an action in the future, but will be done completely finished. Mary will have cleaned Sumit's desk before evening. The villagers will have escaped by the time the volcano erupts. Future perfect continuous. So the workers will have been working for 10 hours by 5:30. In future जो future में जो workers काम कर रहे हैं 5:30 बजे तक वो कितना घंटे हो जाएंगे? 10 hours. So that is the continuous perfect. 5:30 they will be working. So that will be completed by 5:30. Asim will have been studying when Arun telephones her from Australia. The villagers will have been sleeping at the time of the elephant raid. Now this is our 3 tenses, that is present, past and future. Now the detailed chapter is in immediately the next chapter after this. So when we complete this, then we have the detailed chapter of simple present tense and past tense. In that they will be giving the formation and all the details there. Now here you have to choose the correct answer. First exercise that you can do it in the note textbook itself that I will give you. Then here it is, write what tense of the form is used in each of the following sentence. यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ क्या लिखना है कि इस sentences में कौन से form use किए, whether it is present tense or whether it is past tense, बस हमें वही दिखाना है. So that I will give you as a PDF. Now we have done with the explanation of the chapter. So we'll move on to our exercise, that is exercise number 1. Choose the correct answer. Tense is, what is tense? What is the option? B. What it is? The way verbs indicate their relation to time. Past tense indicate the action takes place in earlier. Past tense कौन सा action हमको बताता है जो पहले हो गया. Now we'll see the option. Yes, it is B. A number of experts do not consider future tense to be a tense. Why? Because there is no independent future tense form of the verb. Why? Because there is no independent future tense of the verb. So it's again B. Was walking is a past continuous verb form. Was walking. Was comes to past tense. Walking continuation form. So past continuation form. The future perfect verb form of read is will have read. The second option. Future perfect form क्या होगा? read का will have read. So now we are doing our second exercise, that is write what sentence form of the verb is used in each of the following sentences. We have to write each of the following sentence which form of the past tense, present tense or perfect tense it is. Lydia was the captain of the school basketball team. So it is simple past tense. Was. So simple past tense. The fishermen have come back from Sri Lanka. Have come back. They have completed their present, their tense means that जो वो action कर रहे थे वो complete कर चुके. So present perfect tense. Third, all pupils of class 6 are preparing for a class test. All pupils of class 6 are preparing. Are preparing, present continuous tense. Are is for present tense and preparing gives us a continuation action. Then, the workers of this factory have been demanding higher wages for the past 3 years. So what it will be? Present perfect continuous tense. Have been demanding. वो करते ही जा रहे हैं. Okay? Then Samyukta's friend Kamal had been living in Raipur before he came to Delhi. Had been. So past perfect continuous tense. Had been living. Mr. Anwar Ali teaches us Hindi at school. तो simple present tense. Teaches us. अभी भी पढ़ाते हैं. Neetu was having her breakfast at 8:30. So past continuous tense. Was having. Nobody will stop you at the gate. Will stop. Simple future tense. Now here I have given you the note also that write both the exercise in textbook itself. First one is choose the correct option. So you have to just tick mark in your textbook कि कौन सा है correct option. वो आपको आपके textbook में सिर्फ tick mark करना है. Second exercise, you have to just write in front of the sentences whether it is simple past, present continuous, past continuous जो भी है. Okay. So with this video, I will also give you the link. Also give you the PDF attached, so you can copy it down in the textbook itself. No need of writing it in the notebook. I hope you understood the chapter and also the exercises. Kindly go through the explanation once or twice to register in your mind what is present, past and future. Then we'll do the details chapter later. So stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.